Hello everyone, this is Dimitri from the RedmineUP support. In today's video I'm going to show you how to set an avatar for a person from the People plugin. Okay, so the very first thing that you have to do is to go to People, that is located here onto the top, and then you will have a list of your current people. In our case it is a very few, only 2 people. Okay, so you could either create a new user or person, that's the same thing, or you could edit an existing one. In our case we are going to edit Lawrence Fishburne. This is the actor from The Matrix that is in the role of Morpheus. So we select Lawrence Fishburne and then click on edit, and here onto the avatar we click on browse. Then we have a picture that is of the actor Lawrence Fishburne. Okay, it is now uploaded. It is now uploaded here. So once it is uploaded, we make sure that everything is fine here to the other settings and then click on save. Okay, so as a result we see that the actor Lawrence Fishburne has his new avatar that is actually Morpheus from the Matrix movie. The picture is taken from there. So here it is. When we list the people again, we will now have a picture of this actor. So I hope this video was helpful and good for you, and if you like it you could check other videos and articles from RedmineUP. Thank you very much for watching this video, and bye bye for now.